What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here and welcome back to another vlog. Don't mind my hair, we'll talk about that later. Today is a very big day. Today the FRS goes in for bags, ladies and gentlemen. Yes sir, we are finally getting the air ride suspension on the FRS. It came in before the Rocket Bunny kit, so we're gonna go ahead and get it slapped on. And I'm actually really excited. I've never had bags on any car in my life, so this is gonna be a first. Hopefully we don't have any problems. Hopefully it's all smooth. As you can see, I took off the wing so the guy can have a little bit easier time to get into the trunk. I do have a sub back there, so I'm hoping and praying that doesn't cause any problems, but the boys are almost here. So let's hop in the car, head over there, and get some bags installed. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are almost to the shop. We got Mr. Drew Brower, Mr. Cars Across Texas, and we got Mike, the photo booth in the rear views. We're pulling up. Let's get these things installed. Alright, ladies and gents, we got the whole setup right here. I think an air tank's over there, but super excited. Yeah, we can open it. So we got the front struts right here with the bags on them. And we got the back ones, the management, and I think the tank is over there. Alright guys, it's been dropped off. Next time you see it, it'll be slammed to the ground. Let's do a quick fitment check stock real quick. Can we get the one finger? Oh yeah. 2 fingers? Oh yeah. 3 fingers? Oh yeah. 4? Nope. So we got the 3-finger wheel gap. She's been around the block. But hopefully we won't even be able to get one in when we're done with this thing. So, bye-bye FRS. We'll see you when you're slammed. Alright ladies and gentlemen, it is the day we've all been waiting for. I'm gonna turn this way so I don't go blind. The bags are done on the FRS. Let me sneeze real quick. Alright guys, the bags are done on the FRS. We were waiting for Mike and the boys to come pick me up right now. We're gonna go down there, check it out, and hopefully it's everything I wanted it to be. I got a couple sneak peek pictures last night of them installing it and the trunk setup we're going for. So I'm super pumped. Hope you are too. We've been waiting for this for a very long time. Waiting for Mike to get here, and let's go check out my new bagged FRS. Oh my goodness, it's Mike and the boys. Go!
Didn't let me open the door.
Hit the ramp.
Yeah, Mike, GTA.
Alright fellas, we have arrived. And my baby's out front. My goodness, look at this thing. Dang, she is low. But before we check it out, let's go get the rundown of how to work all the instruments in here. Let's go talk to my man.
To raise it all up at once. This is your preset, so you can set this as your high set, and then this is basically your ride height. So you'll double tap this and raise the car up to your ride height. And then this would be your low setting. For example, if you want to you pull up to a car show or something, and you want to drive slow but low, just set that up. And then to air it out, you push this and then hold it.
Okay.
And then you got individually each bag, which is up, down, each corner.
Okay, so there's 2 buttons in each of those?
Yeah, so if you want to air just this one up, you'll air that one up. If you want to just air that one up, you'll air that one up. If you want to air that one up, you'll
oh damn, that's sick.
And then just push this to air it back down. And if you want to, say your ride height, you don't like it where it's at, you hold it, and it'll turn green. So you'll set whatever pressure you want to be riding at.
Okay.
And then you press it again and it'll save it.
Okay.
So basically, I mean, this is 75 PSI right now. And then this is your ride height.
Oh wow, okay. That's so cool.
That's basically it.
Awesome. So up, the top one's all the way up. The second one.
These 1, 2, 3. These 3 ones. Are presets.
Okay.
And this one right here is just, it'll air it up just like to whatever you want it to. Just hold it and they'll air it up, and then you just like,
That's ride height?
Right height, and then this is your low setting.
And then the bottom one just all the way out.
To air it out, you push it and then hold it.
Okay. Sounds good. That's so sick, man. Thank you so much. Oh, you got it in with the sub too? Nice. There we go. That's awesome.
That's basically about it, man.
Super cool. Well, thank you very much. Hey, if you guys need anything done, audio, suspension, coilovers, what else do you do? Lighting?
Lighting, anything that got to do with car accessories, man.
Yeah.
Hit me up.
Hit up my boy Top Notch Customs. I'll link his Instagram on the page right now and in the description below. It's such a great job. All right, now go time to play with this thing. All right, guys, we're in the whip for the first time. We're gonna go ahead air all the way up. Oh, just one, or you hold it. Oh, you hold it. There we go, AR all the way up. Dang, this is crazy. All right, we're gonna roll out of your monster truck in it, I guess, and then I'm gonna have to learn how to do this. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we have made it home, and I've played with it a couple times. I've kind of got the remote thing down, but dang, look at that. She looked so good parked up in the driveway, just completely slammed to the ground. So now I'm going to go put my wing back on, because that's over at my girlfriend's house. Get that back on, wash the car, and then I'm gonna go take some cool photos for Instagram. So hopefully this will all take a couple minutes. It'll be like this for you guys, but I'm gonna go get this car photo ready and do the big unveil on Instagram. So if you're already following me, go follow me on Instagram. I'll put it right here. I'll see you in a couple minutes. Alright, I don't know if I told you guys earlier, but the sub was being like a little weird. It wasn't hitting as hard as I thought it was gonna, and turns out that one of the plugs actually fell out whenever they put the tank in. So my girlfriend's dad helped me out, hooked it back up, and now the thing kicks. So we're gonna get my wing, put that on, and the car will be ready to get washed and get some photos taken. So I'm gonna hop out, get it out of the garage, and put it on the car. Alright, now that the wing is back on, I guess let's air out and see how it looks. Oh man, that's gonna be sick. Alright, dang, there we go. She's low. And with the wing, that just looks so good. We're finally getting there, boys. We are getting there. Now the only thing we're waiting on is the wide body kit. Got the wheels, got the bags. Now we're just waiting on Japan to pull through. So hopefully that comes in the next couple months. I mean weeks. But now we're gonna take a little bit more of a break, wash the car, and then get it ready for some pictures at sunset. Alright guys, we have teleported back home. I'm kind of all over the place in this video, but we're nearing the end here. We're just gonna give the FRS a nice good wash We have it in monster truck mode right now. That is so crazy. You could literally like put big mud tires on there and make it like a rally car when it's all the way aired up. I'm gonna try to figure out the best way to go about doing it, but I just think it looks so good. And now that it's gonna be clean, it's gonna be A1. But you can come down here and peek. See if you, oh wait, you can't see it because you're on the thing, but I'll turn you sideways, and up in there, there are the bags right there. It looks so cool. It's gonna take me a while to really learn how to perfect everything because the middle one is adjustable. That's the ride height one. And man, that is, it's a big difference from all the way aired up to the all the way almost aired out. It's very bouncy. So I guess after a couple weeks or so of driving it, I'll really dial it in and get it exactly how I want it. So, but for now, it's really awesome. I love going up and down, showing everybody what it does. The four-wheel individual up and down is really, really cool. And I'm sure once I have it for a while, I'll perfect how to use it and really enjoy it to its maximum capabilities. But for now, I'm gonna sit you down right here, throw you on a time lapse, and get this car looking A1. Alright guys, thank you for joining me on such a wonderful, wonderful day. The car is now clean and it looks sick. I hope you guys feel the same way I do about this thing. This has been my dream. We're almost done with the build. Just waiting on the wide body kit now. We have done the bags, got the wheels, and now we just need the kit. So everything's coming together. I hope you guys are staying safe, enjoying yourselves during quarantine, and do what my shirt says, like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, or maybe if it's your second or third time visiting and you haven't considered subscribing, maybe do so. It really helped me out. This is really all I'm doing. I haven't been able to go back to work this whole quarantine, so your support is greatly, greatly appreciated, and you can see it, the car is coming together because of it. So once again, I hope you guys are all doing great. If you liked the video, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.